Hi everyone, today we are going to learn two common Chinese expressions, 对不起 and 没关系. First, let's take a look at a conversation.
对不起，高射炮。
没关系。
对不起，对不起。对不起 is an expression that expresses apologize, commonly used to express that you have done something wrong or made a mistake. When you have done something wrong, when you have made a mistake, when you have offended someone, when you need to apologize to someone. 没关系，没关系。没关系 is an expression that expresses forgiveness or pardon, commonly used to respond to someone's apology. When someone apologizes to you, when you want to express that you have forgiven someone, when you want to comfort someone. 对不起 and 没关系 are two corresponding expressions. 对不起 expresses apologize. 没关系 expresses forgiveness or pardon. Now let's practice using 对不起 and 没关系. Please say 对不起 to your friend. Imagine your friend accidentally bumped into you. What would you say? Imagine you did something wrong. Your friend apologizes to you. What would you say? 对不起 and 没关系 are two common Chinese expressions that are often used in daily life. It is very important to understand and use these two expressions for learning Chinese. In addition to 对不起 and 没关系, there are other Chinese expressions that can express apologize or forgiveness, such as 请原谅，我错了，没问题，不用谢。对，对，对，对，对，不。不，不，不。起，起，起，起，起，起。没，没，没，没，没，没。关，关。关，关，关。细，细，细，细，细，细。对不起，没关系，对不起，没关系。Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson has helped you better understand and use 对不起 and 没关系